Okay, today we're going to multiply multiple digit numbers by single digit numbers. So the first thing you always want to do is line them up, just kind of like I have here. So you might have a question that says 21 times 6. Well, the first thing you do is write the larger number at the top and the smaller number at the bottom. So our single digit, you can see the 6 is here at the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply it by our ones place first. So the 6, we need to multiply it by the ones place in the number 21. So that's a 1. So 6 times 1 is 6. So we need to write that 6 right underneath that first digit, or in the ones place. So go ahead and do that. And then the next step, you need to multiply it by the number that's in the next place value, or in this case, the tens place. So 6 times 2 is 12. And so, since it's the last number in the first, number that we're multiplying, we can go ahead and just write the answer right here. So 12. 6 times 2 is 12. And that's all there is to it, 126. Now, let's look at a number that's, a 3-digit number times a single-digit number. In this case, we have 142 times 9. Remember, you always want to line them up first, kind of like we have here. Make sure the ones place is always aligned correctly before you do anything else. Okay, so let's start. So 9 times 2, because the first step is always multiplying by the ones, and then the tens, and so on. So 9 times 2 is 18. So we're going to have to carry, because this is a 2-digit number. So when we carry, we always write the ones digit down here, record that in our answer section, and carry the tens digit, or whatever's next, up to the next number. So notice that's 18, so 1 and 8. We put the 8 down here, carry the 1. Next, we have to multiply it 9 times 4. And in this case, 9 times 4 is going to be 36. And 36, well, that doesn't fit down here because it's a 2-digit number. So we're going to have to carry it. But before we do that, we still have this number over here that we carried over. So the 1 that we carried from the 18, we're going to add to whatever 9 times 4 is. In this case, 36, so that would be 37. So we write the 7 down here and carry the 3 up to the top up here. Now all we have to do is multiply the ones digit by our last number. And that's a 1. 9 times 1 is 9. But we still need to add what we carried earlier. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can write that, since it's the last digit, you just write the 12 right there. Throw in a comma because we know that that 1 is in the thousands place. And our number is 1,278. So that's a good example of multiplying a multiple digit number by a single digit number, and then doing the same thing but also carrying. Now you guys are gonna do a lot of this, so if you have trouble, just ask questions. You can post them on Edmodo or just watch the school video again. Thank you.